Hey guys, Mark Brown here, Kriete Truck Center, Madison, 608-642-0172. Today here we're walking around one of our 2019 Volvo VNL64T760s. This truck is equipped with the D13 and the Volvo I-Shift. This truck has just been through our shop, inspected, serviced, and is ready to go. If you have any questions, give me a call or stop on in the Kriete Truck Center Madison today to check out this unit or many more that we have available. Also, make sure to check out our website, KrieteTrucks.com. If there's anything at any of our 10 locations that you're interested in, let me know. I'd love to help you out. We do also offer many different options for financing. Have a great day.